Hi guys, T-Code here. In the previous video, we created an application that displays some text. So in this video, I will change the background color and let's add some other widgets on it. So, for implementing a good UI and to look and feel, we use a widget called Scaffold. It comes from the material widget, so let's add it. Before doing, let's format our code. Just press enter after a comma on every widget you use. And you need to add the comma after every single widget ending. Okay. Let's erase the text widget and add a scaffold widget. And add a scaffold widget. After that, when we hit Ctrl plus space, I am picking body from it. As a name says, we can now able to build the body of the app. Let's add the text widget and reload it. In the Flutter, there is a feature called Hot Reload. This helps you quickly and easily experiment, build UIs, add features, and fix bugs. In Android Studio, to reload the app, press Ctrl plus S. Okay, here text is displayed, but it is overlaid in the status bar. To get rid of that, we can use the Safe Area widget. Let's add it. Now, this widget is providing me to add a child widget. I am adding a text widget as a Okay, let's reload it. Now, the text widget is below the status bar. Okay, now let's make the text widget in the center. To make the widget center, we can use the widget called Center. To wrap the widget quickly, just click the widget and click the bulb near that and select the widget you want to. Okay, let's give the name to the app. Let's add the widget called App Bar. The app bar can be used to give the name and used to show the properties of the app. App bar is the property of Scaffold Widget. So let's add it under the Scaffold Widget. Just press the shortcut to see the properties. Let's add the title. In that title, we can add text widget. Let's reload. Now, let's add another widget called the floating action button. This button will float on the bottom of the screen. This button is required on pressed function. This is a simple function that executes when the user presses the button. Let's add it and reload it. Now, let's add one plus icon to it. Let's give a child icons widget. Icons are packs of icons that came with a material package. Let's add plus icon to it. Now we have done a simple design of that app. On the next video we can see how these widgets work on coding.